Here is another Jenga structure. We will make this beautiful two-story building with these Jenga blocks. You will need 54 blocks of Jenga to build this structure. Let's start our construction, and this will be a very solid foundation, all shock proof and cannot be demolished. Oh no 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 no! Don't do this please! No 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 no! Oh no! You should not do that. Well, let's make the building and break it. First we will place the 4 blocks. This is very easy to make, and later you would need some balancing skills. Follow the video step by step and your building would be ready. Now our floor is ready. Let's make the second part, and here we will need some balancing skills. Just follow this video step by step and it will be very easy to make. See, I told you, you will need some balancing skill. Our blocks are falling here. We have to be very careful. Here we will be making two-story building. So I will make the first story slowly and then second story I will speed up. The first story and the second story is the duplicate. So once you are able to make the first story building, first floor is ready, then the second level would be very easy to make. Now our box is getting ready. So once this box is ready, we will place one more block inside this box. Be careful, it's very difficult to place. So if anything falls, then it would be very difficult. You have to repeat the process then. Finally, after second trial, I was able to make the box. Now I will place one block inside the box. Okay, now let's cover up this box with 3 blocks of Jenga. Now let's place 4 blocks on each side. Just put some gap between these blocks on all the 4 sides, so that you can put the other blocks on the top of it, and you need the balance here. This is little bit tricky. Do it very carefully. It's fine if you can do it in 1 or 2 trial. Please support my channel with super thanks. Thank you very much, and subscribe to Payazee channel as well. We will learn by practicing this. Wow, our one level is ready, and now let's repeat these steps to make the second level. Let's speed up a bit. See, I told you, you need a balancing skill here. It's little bit tricky, and we have to do it. We have to do some more trials on this, and if the blocks are not properly leveled, then also it may affect your building. This block is not properly in shape. Booyah! Now our second story is getting also ready. Wow, it's done. It's almost done. And last 3 blocks. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Thank you for watching this. Please support my channel by super thanks, and do like, comment and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Payazee channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.